I am absolutely excited to be back and
to see 5,000 people in the flesh, and Safety Cloud is bringing that to customers.
It's so good to hug again.
If this is your first CKO, welcome to Salesforce.
Welcome.
What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here, back in New York at another Salesforce event. This one's for the employees. It's CKO, and that stands for Company Kickoff. So let's go check in and see what's going on. All right, so we are in. Got my badge. Let's go get tested. All right, so I'm tested, I'm clear, I'm good to go. And we're here a day before the company kickoff, so I'm gonna take you up here and give you a little sneak peek. Let's go check it out. All right, so I see Brent over here. Hey, what's up, Brent?
Hey, how are you?
Good, good. Well, we have a whole lot of people that are coming to this event, roughly around 5,000
people. 5,000, yeah.
Why is it important to get all these people together for Salesforce?
Yeah. Coming together, having equal and shared experiences really bonds us as a company, as a team, and it gives us a reason to want to be here. Those who have chosen to come, I think, are very excited to be here. And part of that is because of the Safety Cloud and the testing protocols that we've put in place.
Through scaled sequential testing, meaning we test you multiple times before you get here, we're keeping the COVID out.
We said, let's start with small teams, 500 people at a time or 100 people at a time. Then we had Dreamforce here in New York, 3,000 people. And now, here, CKO, 5,000 people. But we need to do it, number one, with trust. We're working very hard with all of our experts to make sure when you show up at this event, you can feel comfortable and you can feel safe.
There are a number of different stages in the process of attending an event like this. You have to have a system and a process that allows you to look at all of your different data sets real time. When you want to know, is there something that we need to intervene on? And Safety Cloud allows you to do that real time.
All right, so that was a sneak peek at the campground up there. I've got some friends at the Salesforce Tower in New York. Let's go pay them a visit. Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, Brian, how's it going?
Going good. So I was told that I could come here to learn about Safety Cloud.
Yeah, man, it's your single place to view all of your health and safety protocols across any event or any in-person experience. From the moment you register for CKO, to you providing your digital upload of your proof of vax, to even getting tested today, you've experienced it at each step of the journey.
I'm curious, David, like how does it work?
Actually, it's up on the screen here where you can take a look. We're looking at the breakdown of our attendees by region.
What exactly happens on your end when you see a positive test result?
Myself and the health and safety team get an automated message. It tells me that there's a case event. This gives us all the information on Jane so that we can begin to enact that particular plan.
But what about Jane the person, right? What happens to her once she tests positive?
One of our healthcare practitioners will reach out to her and have that phone call between medical professional and patient. Our providers also notifying the local health authorities if that's the case in our area. And then what will happen is our health and safety team will begin a contact trace. The critical thing for Jane, though, is she can't attend the event because she's positive. And actually, we're going to prepare a wellness kit for Jane so that she can get better, and as soon as she's done with the quarantine period, she'll be ready to go home.
All right, so CKO, I got the download from you guys all. You're going to be there, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we'll see you there?
Absolutely.
All right, excellent. We are here, CKO is officially on, and we've seen how Safety Cloud has really powered this event. This morning, I was in my hotel, I took my test, it was easy to do, and now I have my Dream Pass, so we're inside. Let's go see what's happening. How easy was your experience just kind of walking through all these steps?
It was super easy. So this morning, just woke up, did my, fun little Q-tip swab that you do in the hotel room, popped it in my queue, and 30 minutes, I got my test results.
Looky, looky, COVID-19 negative. All I'm gonna do is just wait to get my Dream Pass, and then we'll be good to go to CKO.
Within 20 minutes, I got my Dream Pass so that I could walk into this event seamlessly this morning. Knowing that we've all gone through the process with Safety Cloud, it's really comforting and it's so rewarding. You just turn around and there's that familiar face. Now I get to give you a hug in person. It's incredible.
Are you excited to be here?
I wanted to ask you guys, how does it feel to be back in person?
We've been working with each other for a while. I've seen him on camera, but to see him live, Nothing beats that.
Yeah, it's been great to just see everyone and just get the culture and see people interacting and talking and conversing. It's just been amazing.
Just the fact that 5,000 people in this room and we're not wearing masks, I think that's testament.
I'm a hugger, so, you know, this is great for me.
Bro hug!
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Another hug! Another hug! People are here because of Safety Cloud. Who is Safety Cloud for?
Safety Cloud is really for any customer that wants to bring their employees and their customers back together safely. So it enables at-scale testing because that is the new norm, to understand everyone's COVID status before you can get together and feel good about getting together. It is super easy to implement with all sorts of pre-built workflows and content templates.
A lot of companies are worried about how this affects their bottom line, incorporating health protocols.
So I would say the companies that are taking health and safety seriously and leading with that are going to be the leaders through the pandemic. They're going to garner trust of their employees. They're going to be able to grow their business better with their customers and engage and get them together.
People want to bring back consumers safely. The challenge is it's not easy. And that's what's really exciting about Safety Cloud, is it's making it easier for our customers to get back to business.
If you think about financial services in industries like banking, insurance, wealth management, that's a people business. When you're investing billions, if not trillions of dollars, you can't do that over a phone, right? You have to do that with a person.
Every customer we're talking in healthcare, they want to bring people back, but more importantly, they want to bring people back more safely.
It's about growth, right? If you're doing the right thing by your people and your customers, your business will grow.
So we talked about other companies kind of seeing what you're all doing.
Right.
Do you have any advice for them if they want to throw
Sure.
a similar event?
Get started small, right? Pull a team together, test. Then get a larger team, test. And I think what's really important is listen deeply. Survey your employees, talk to them, find out what they want.
There are also 70,000 people tuning in online. We've made it so it's a special experience no matter where you want to be.
How do you see the future of events?
There's always now going to be safety top of mind when we come together in person, because this is a part of our life and we just want to get back to life, right? We can be together again, you know, we can have that human connection, and it's just so important that we have the courage to let science and technology be our guides to be together safely.
Thank you.
Thank
I was
you.
I was about to run over when you're like,
Yeah,
we can
hug?
be together.
Yeah, yeah.
Hugs. Hugs.
This is so important that we get back together and to get back together safely, and we're very grateful to everyone who participated in all of our organizations all over the world to make it happen, so thank you so much.
All right, that is a wrap on CKO. And look around me, 5,000 people here. You just can't replicate this energy anywhere else, and I feel safe doing it. So I can't wait for the next bigger and better event where we can get together safely. We'll see you.